Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay from Brixie Clicks. We are back. Make sure to subscribe and share us. We appreciate it very much, and it's free, most importantly. So, another pallet of bedding, number 4. Supposed to be customer returns. Clearly, this is all overstock, so big come up for us. Each pallet we paid $140 for. We had 6 on this shipment. The last one, definitely a home run. If you haven't looked, check it out. This one looks to be very similar. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 6. We got 42, 43 on here. So even at 10 bucks a piece, 430 bucks. So we're already in business. Yeah, so it's already almost $300 profit.
Nice.
Even if we just lowball it. So we will see what's in these boxes. What are the colors? And of course, they have to put tape all around everything. Every freaking box is tape.
You think if they just learned shrink wrap, they wouldn't have to use so much
I'm
tape?
telling you guys, I was in retail for 17 years and I never put tape around a pallet. Ever. And it's just crazy to me. Absolutely crazy. But it's like this in almost any shipment you order from almost any company you order it from.
Yeah, like I don't understand how, like their controllable expenses when it comes to like supplies for tape.
It is absolutely
You want to
crazy.
cut your costs? Stop wasting on
Stop
damn
wasting
tape.
tape.
What color you got?
So this is a gray twin XL twin.
All I'm seeing is gray.
But I'm seeing blue skies with the profit.
I don't even want
Pretty good.
to. No, it's not. I don't
That's
want to
pretty good.
acknowledge it at all. Like the fact that I'm talking to you about
Yeah,
it. just
it's pretty
adds
good.
to it.
So Room Essentials reversible comforter. Looks like there's 2 different styles of gray, light gray, dark gray. Twin XL, brand new in the box. Quick and easy for us to ship it, or we can just sell them locally. You know, like I said, even if we sell them at 10 bucks a piece, it's a really good deal. And we got a lot of them.
It looks like we got gray rugby again. Same type of deal.
Yeah, I have gray rugby over here. We got the twin XL.
What do you got over there?
We got some rugby.
Is that what you're putting over there?
This is the gray. This is gray. This is your rugby.
Rugby. After you, kind sir.
Yeah, thank you. You're a scholar amongst men. Gray. Gray. Gray.
So definitely only 2 colors on this whole thing.
Hey. Yeah, it's interesting because there are only 2. I just can't believe it's overstock. You know, I mean, it should have been sold as an overstock pallet, and this pallet would have went. This pallet, I bet you, would have went for probably 40 cents in the dollar of retail if this was overstock and that sold as customer returns.
And I feel like most of this is just gray.
Yeah, this has been a really good shipment. Makes me want to buy more bedding.
I don't want you to go with that.
Whole bunch more bedding, like a whole semi of bedding.
No. Because then we'll be, well,
We'll be
be
warm.
warm. Yeah. Definitely will be warm. Definitely be warm.
A lot of grays.
Yeah.
Gray, gray, gray.
Gray.
And they're all the same size. These are all gray.
Yeah.
So, a lot of gray, only a little bit of rugby. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These rugby.
Nope, these are all gray.
So, out of 43 pieces, 10 of them were rugby, which is great. So it's not all the same.
Right. Little variety.
Yeah, a little variety. So what we got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Quick, easy video. Again, you can see customer returns don't always mean customer returns. And we got 2 more pallets left on this shipment.
2 more.
Bedding. I don't think there's any more of this type of stuff.
Oh, that's no fun. That
I
means
know.
it's going to take a little longer.
Take a little bit longer. So make sure to subscribe, share the video. We really appreciate it very much. And you guys enjoy your day.
Stay classy.